So we start off today's video with this haircut transformation. Stylist has the clippers. Looks like she's going quite short for this makeover. Wow, beautiful icy pixie style with an undercut. Absolutely incredible. She looks amazing. Hello everyone. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some haircuts, some hair transformations, and everything in between. So if you've been thinking of shaking up your boring strands, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these haircuts, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone getting a bob haircut. I love her dark hair paired next to this really pretty red lip. The stylist is mixing in some bangs with this bob. Wow, such a gorgeous fashion forward style. And then we see someone getting a big chop. Looks like the stylist is adding in some relaxer. And then going in and doing a pixie haircut. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. She did get more of that like asymmetrical style pixie. Beautiful feathered bangs in the front. Gorgeous. And then we have a bob haircut style for the next one. Beautiful, classic, and chic bob haircuts. So here we have someone who's going to be DIYing their own curtain bangs. This is a huge trend, of course, like all over TikTok. Wow, she actually did a pretty good job. And I'd say these bangs are more so like side swept bangs. And they instantly added some volume to her hair, which is a really nice way. And as she parts her hair on the other side, she does get more of that like curtain bang effect. So then we have this really pretty mid-length cut, followed by another big chop transformation. And then another gorgeous pixie style. Love the way that her curls looks within this cut. Absolutely amazing. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.